Today is the 26th of January. COVID regulations have been lifted in 99% of buildings. Limerick District Court, Circuit Court, you cannot get in, even though 99% of buildings you're allowed access. Justice is still being concealed. The system, the guards, the DPP will hold on to the COVID rules as long as possible. You can't get into that court. It's all held in private. There's what you call corruption. We've seen the Kerry case, the Hayes, Judge Lynch scandalised that woman. There's your justice. You can't get in to this court on the 26th of January over COVID regulations.